While many so-called coronavirus stocks might have reached the end of their COVID-related bump, these peaks still look attractive well beyond 2020. 2020 is nearly over, but the COVID-19 pandemic is not over. Amazon market value 1.6 trillion US dollar. Amazon for all of its dominance produced virtually flat performance between mid of 2018 and the end of 2019. However, 2020 has been the perfect storm for all the e-commerce giant. When the coronavirus lockdown caused stores to shut their doors in March, online shopping suddenly got a whole lot more popular than it already was. Amazon has already recovered its most profitable year over and it still has a quarter to go. In the second quarter, revenue jumped 40% to 88.9 billion and profits doubled to 5.2 billion. Sales were similarly higher, 37% growth, and net income tripled to $6.3 billion. PayPal market value to $39.7 billion. Cash use was one of the early shifts of the coronavirus pandemic. The World Health Organization appeared to voice concerns that the coronavirus could be transmitted through the handing of money and recommended consumers and business stick to contactless payment wherever possible. This was all good news for PayPal, which operates one of the world's most popular online payment systems, as well as its Venmo mobile payment app. US customers were even able to have their stimulus checks directly deposited to their Venmo account. Electronic Arts market value $37.1 billion. Video games have been growing in popularity for decades, but their ecosystem has really been evolving over the past few years thanks to emergence of esports and the popularity of streaming viewing services such as Twitch. COVID-19 turned up the dial on video game playing. However, while in lockdown, common and games that put game publishers among the market-based coronavirus stocks, including Electronic Arts, the creator of popular sports series such as Madden and FIFA, as well as other titles such as the Steam's Battlefield and Apex Legends. Google Alphabet market value $1.19 trillion. Google parent Alphabet took a strong hit during the pandemic fueled bear market and for good reasons, with business and recession looming. Companies were expected to clamp down on their advertising spending, given that more than 90% of Alphabet 2019 revenues were generated by advertising. Any ad spending cutbacks would clear certainly be felt. Investors never sold off Google share as they did the broader market, and it has recovered and plenty more than 32% gain into late of 2020. Akamai Technologies market value $16.7 billion. Akamai Technologies is one of those tech companies that most people only know if they have a reason. In this case, those people would be IT professionals. Akamai operates the world's biggest, largest content delivery network. A CDN uses clusters of web servicing servers that either host website or cache content, offering improved security and faster performance. Akamai CDN network comprises of 3 lakh servers distributed across 136 countries. Its customers include 53% of Fortune 500, more than 800 retailers, over 320 financial service firms, at least 225 game publishers, over 225 broadcast and TV networks, and 50 plus social media providers. Akamai revenue has grown alongside internet traffic. The company's most recent results include a street betting $793 million in revenue and 12% grow their business.